Welcome to the Oppo Reno 5Z, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So to do that, we should first open the settings application and then tap here to personalizations. After that, you'll see here the always on display section. Click here once, and to activate this feature we should click here on the once on the switcher. We can just change here the display options. Now we have selected the power saving mode. We can set the shadow of always on display, or we can just show it all the day. Just tap here to save, and when we'll just lock our device now, we can see that the always on display feature successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.